It's Kelly Overly with Access Human Potential. Every day we're pulled in a dozen directions. We have deadlines, responsibilities, notifications. It's no wonder stress feels like a regular part of our life. But stress does not have to run the show. You can create space to breathe, reset, and build resilience. So join us for our workshop, Resilience Starts With You, Stress, Health, and Well-Being in Everyday Life. It will allow you to take control of stress before it controls you. In the workshop, you'll learn things around understanding the real impact of stress, everyday wellness habits. So we talk about rest, movement, self-regulation, social connection. We also will provide simple science-backed techniques to manage stress with confidence. This isn't about perfection or even quick fixes. It's about real tools for real life, helping you stay balanced, focused, and well. It's the small things we do that can make a big difference. So whether you're looking to reset your routine, protect your peace, or just breathe a little easier, this is an opportunity for you to invest in your wellness without needing to overhaul your whole life and the way you do things. We look forward to seeing you. Please click on the link below. And if you have any questions, please reach out. Thank you.